Hey singers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're tuning in today for the first time, then a huge hello to you. Today is a video game changer because we're going to be diving into the secrets of singing better in just a few days. So buckle up because your vocal transformation starts right now. So first up, let's talk about breath control. Mastering your breath control is key to really unlocking your full vocal potential. I'll share a quick exercise that's really just going to enhance your breath control, and this is just crucial for immediate results.
So stand or sit comfortably with straight posture for this one. Put your hands on your tummy button and inhale through your nose. And then exhale slowly through your mouth, drawing your tummy button backwards towards your spine and making sure that you keep a nice even airflow on that exhale. Now, after you've done this, repeat it 5 to 10 times daily to really enhance your breath control.
So a great voice isn't just about hitting the right notes, it's about dynamics, really just learning how to add that flair to your performance by playing around with the dynamics. You'll be amazed at how this little simple tweak can just elevate your singing.
So this exercise is a crescendo and a decrescendo exercise. Choose a simple phrase or a scale and then sing that phrase or scale, just starting softly and gradually increasing the volume, which is crescendo, and then reverse the process, starting loud and gradually decreasing the volume, which is decrescendo. Or you can do it either way around, really. But what I want you to do is just play around with the dynamic variations and really focus on the smoothness of the transitions between the loud and soft and vice versa. Really just practice this regularly and incorporate dynamics naturally into your singing.
So the next one is vocal warm-ups, and there are no shortcuts here. Vocal warm-ups are your secret weapon, and I'll share a condensed vocal warm-up routine that you can really just squeeze into any busy schedule, and it's all about really just preparing your vocal cords for that immediate improvement. Warming up really does improve your singing voice.
So with this one, start by humming on a very comfortable pitch. Really feeling those vibrations in the mask of your face and gradually, just ascend and descend, basically doing sirens on that hum, doing pitch glides on the hum. Repeat it and really just explore your vocal range. Focus on keeping your vocal cords relaxed and really just warming up your entire vocal mechanism. And you can also include variations like lip trills and tongue trills as well to your warm-up. These are great for really allowing the voice to warm up with ease. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes on a vocal warm-up before you sing. It's just going to make such a big difference.
So lastly, let's boost your singing confidence. I'll spill some tips on how to overcome nervousness and just let your voice shine, because when you feel confident, you will sing better. I know when I feel confident, I sing so much better. I walk into the room better. You just walk differently when you're confident, So yeah, we all can do with a confidence boost, right? So yeah, here are my confidence tips.
For building confidence, we are going to focus on mirror affirmations, which is so powerful. I do mirror affirmations myself, and I find that it really helps me to build up my confidence. It's important to be speaking life over yourself. So stand in front of the mirror. Maintain eye contact with yourself. Look at yourself and repeat those positive affirmations about your singing abilities and just about yourself overall. Really express confidence in your voice, delivery, and stage presence. Smile and embrace your unique vocal qualities and your uniqueness as a person. Visualize successful performances and believe in your potential. You have to believe in yourself and practice these mirror affirmations regularly to boost your confidence before a performance. And I think this is just something to do every day, just to boost your confidence every day and to speak life over yourself.
So there you have it, singers, proven techniques to sing better in just a few days. Try these exercises and I know you're gonna notice the difference. Put it into practice, you know. And if you liked this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more singing tips. Also, you can download my Voice Savvy app for more training and community, and it's available on the App Store and Google Play. Also, comment below and share your progress. I can't wait to hear about your vocal journey. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Until next time, keep singing and keep shining, and I will see you soon. Mwah. Peace.